Hello everyone and welcome to another cooking episode of Exine Cook Time. Today, let's prepare chicken roast. If you're new here, my name is Eva and I post new recipes every Sunday. And if you like recipes like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and also smash that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, that's very much appreciated. So without wasting much time, let's start with today's recipe. Here I have one whole chicken, and to that we need to put deep gashes on both the sides. And apply some salt and leave it aside. In a mixing bowl, take half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, a pinch of red food color. Now mix everything together and set it aside. Transfer the chicken in the marinade and brush the paste into the chicken gushes properly. Cover and keep it in the refrigerator overnight or at least a minimum of 2 hours before baking. Transfer the whole marinated chicken in a baking tray lined with a silver foil and roast it for about 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, turn it on the other side and roast it for another 30 minutes more. Now that the chicken is cooked, let's take it out, garnish and serve. Well folks, that's it for today. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe and show some love towards this channel because that motivates me to showcase more of my recipes. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video with a new recipe. Until then, take care and bye for now.